A hearing is currently underway in a superior court in Quebec, Canada, to hear Air India's plea on the seizure of its assets ordered earlier by a local court. The urgent hearing comes after a Canadian court authorized the seizure of assets belonging to the Airport Authority of India and Air India held with the International Air Transport Association in the Quebec province in District of Montreal. The seizure was ordered on application from Devas Multimedia, which has filed multiple petitions to enforce arbitration awards against the Indian government. So what is this case that has the central government rattled? Will it impact the disinvestment process of Air India as is being speculated? Watch this report for some answers.
The saga harks back to 2011 when the UPA government cancelled a contract between Devas Multimedia and Indian Space Research Organization's commercial arm, Antrix Corporation, following allegations of irregularities in a leaked draft audit report of the Controller and Auditor General. The deal signed in 2005 involved Antrix building and launching 2 satellites and leasing spectrum to Devas for providing satellite-based internet services. Stung by the cancellation, Devas shareholders embarked on legal action, which culminated in 2 international arbitration rulings against the Government of India. In September 2015, the International Chamber of Commerce Arbitration Court ordered Antrix to pay $672 million to Devas. This was followed by another ruling in favor of Devas last October, which saw a $111 million plus interest award by the Permanent Court of Arbitration under the Indo-Mauritius Bilateral Investment Treaty. Meanwhile, litigation within India has seen the National Company Law Tribunal issue an order for liquidation of Devas Multimedia. In May last year, the NCLT ordered the liquidation on the basis of a petition by Antrix Corporation. The Bengaluru bench of the NCLT was of the view that Devas Multimedia was incorporated with a fraudulent motive to collude and connive with then officials of Antrix to get bandwidth from it. The CBI and the Enforcement Directorate have also filed charge sheets into the alleged irregularities in the deal. An appeal is currently pending at the Supreme Court. Matters have come to a head with a Canadian court in Montreal passing separate orders on the 24th of November and 21st of December on plea by the shareholders to enforce the arbitration awards against the Indian government, with Devas saying that it has seized more than 30 million worth of Airport Authority of India and Air India's funds held by the International Air Transport Association following the court order. The battle is now set to escalate even further as the company has warned that this action is only the beginning. The development does not impact the Tata Group, which will take over Air India later this month, as it has been granted indemnity from past legal claims as part of the agreement with the government. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.